In this video, I'll show you how to display Loox reviews on your Shopify store's homepage in under 5 minutes, so visitors see real social proof the moment they land on your site. Start by opening your browser and logging into your Shopify admin. Before you continue, make sure the Loox Photo Reviews app is already installed on your store since we'll be using its widgets. From the Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store and click Themes, then select Customize on your active theme. This opens the theme editor for your home page. Inside the editor, click Add Section to insert a new block into your home page layout. Scroll through the available sections until you find a Loox widget. Popular choices include the Reviews Carousel or Trust Badge, both of which work great on the home page. Select the widget you want and it will be added instantly. Next, configure the widget settings. Choose how many reviews to show, decide whether to display photos, star ratings, or customer names, and pick a layout that matches your store's design. For best results, feature high-rated, detailed reviews that clearly show customer satisfaction. Once everything looks good, click Save. Refresh your home page to confirm the Loox reviews are now visible to visitors. That's it. You've successfully added Loox reviews to your Shopify homepage, boosting trust, credibility, and the chances of converting new visitors into customers. Happy selling!